Howdy friends, I'm Buck Weezer coming at you again after what feels like a pretty long absence. Haven't posted many videos lately, and the reason for that, I've been in a state of transition, moving myself and my family from New Jersey to Georgia. But I am excited about one thing. My new property includes this garage that you see behind me. 4-car garage. It's going to be my new shop. Now it's in a state of disrepair. I got to be honest about that. But the possibilities are quite good for me, and I just wanted to introduce you to it with the hope and the promise that I'll be getting back to some of my small engine work really soon. So it's not in great shape. It's filled with junk, some of which is mine that I brought from New Jersey. And I want to do a video, upcoming video on what power equipment to bring with you when you move. So stay tuned to that. And then the garage is also filled with debris and junk. I guess it's a matter of perspective, right? One man's trash is another man's treasure. But I've got a lot of work to do in getting this back into a more usable condition. I mean, I can use it right now, and I'm going to start, just do one bay at a time, clean it out, set it up, and we'll take it from there. But that's what I've been doing lately, and I'll tell you, transitioning, moving, relocating is indeed a big project, but I got a nice property here. It needs some cleanup, needs some TLC, but it's a beautiful 4-acre lot, and I just wanted you all to get a glimpse of my new shop. Pretty hot here, pretty hot, but I'm okay with that. Glad to escape the cold. That's a quick update for you, my friends. Thank you for your patience and your interest in my channel after this handful of years that we've been doing this together. And with this new shop, I'm looking forward to some more times and more videos that we can share together. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.